Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can play Bigo Live Games. So to do that, go ahead and open our Bigo Live application and the user face will appear like this. And here you can see the near video plus icon or live option. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can see many different options on the below of the screen. Now go ahead and select game live. What you can do is choose the title of the game. Now here you can choose the game, different game, whatever you like. Let's say for instance I'll choose this game. Now once you are okay with the result, click on go live and you are good to go. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.